Hi, I'm Kelly Wilson. You probably know me. If you don't, get ready to live. This is my first GoFundMe video for my Paris storytelling trip with the Moth instructors. I'm very excited. And it's inspired by my word of the year, which is adventure. And I was going to go into how I got that word of the year, but instead I want to talk about, well, death, of course. I mean, that tracks. A couple of days ago, we found out that a friend of ours had died, and he had died actually a couple of weeks ago. And it's really shocking. And it brings up this sense of urgency that I've experienced since this time, spring of 2020, which is, you know, Kel, if there's something that you want to do, then you need to do it. You need to get on with it. And I think part of that is my age. I'm barely 50 and happy to be, but I don't have any time to play around, you know? So I saw this email come through about a month ago for this Paris storytelling workshop where I could learn the skills that I do not know, even though I've been on stage and I am a writer and I am a storyteller. There are very specific things that I just don't know how to do. And so, I thought they're only taking 20 people. Like, really, what are the chances that I'm going to be accepted into this program? This very intense program. And I was like, I'm going to do it anyway. Because why not? Like, what's the worst that could happen? So I applied, and then I think within a week I had gotten the notification that I had actually, yes, been accepted into this very intense 6-day program where we work the majority of the day, and in true European fashion, do not have dinner until 8:30 at night, which I find hilarious. But so I'm going to have to take a lot of snacks. But anyway, so that brought up another issue for me, which is cost is prohibitive. Prohibitive. The cost is prohibit. The cost is prohibitive. See, I need storytelling training. I've got a kid in college. I've got a small business in mental health that is about 3.5 years old. I work part time as a substitute teacher, which I do love. But, uh, the amount of money that I need to get over there for the cost of the program's 3,500, and then to get over there will be another 12 to 1,500 probably with the flights. And then none of the food is covered, which doesn't seem to be quite a big deal because based on my research, the food is pretty reasonably priced. So I am asking people to partner with me as I learn how to, number one, be an awesome storyteller so that I can bring these skills back to my business, my work, my community, myself, and like I told them, change the world. That's what I'm about. That's what I've always been about. So please partner with me. Any amount helps. I am certain that I have put all of the required links in the required places so that you can find out more information. And of course, if you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.